What if I tell you that there is a way to see the air flow? What if I tell you that after this video you might look at air flow in a very different way? Stick around till the end to see some pretty cool stuff. This is the setting I use to make those shots. Right here I have a parabolic concave mirror, and the focal point of this mirror is about here. As you can see here, the light is pretty big. Then right here we have our focal point. And you understand it because the point, it's getting extremely sharp. Right here I placed a blade, as you can see, that right now is blocking 100% of course of the light coming back from the mirror. Next, I allow just half of the light to pass through, while the other half is blocked by the blade. I need to be very precise in this step. This setup allows us to see tiny variation in gas composition of what is in front of the mirror. So much so that we can see the hot air rising from a flame, the puffs of hot air coming from the neck of the lighter. This technique is known as Schlieren, based on the German term Schlieren, which means streak. It relies on tiny variation of refractive index of the things put in front of the mirror. The refractive index is a measure of how fast light travels through a medium relative to its speed in vacuum. Air has a refractive index value very close to 1, but the value for hotter air is slightly lower. The difference is so tiny that we can actually not see it. This setup makes it possible thanks to the blade. When air is reflected from the mirror and goes through the hot column of air, it slightly changes direction. That is, it refracts. And the reason for that is the slight difference of refractive index between hot air and cooler air. So some of the light that would have passed over the blade instead hits it, creating a dark image in the camera. Vice versa, some of the light that would have hit the blade instead goes over it, creating a bright image. So you can see the hot air coming from the hair dryer when I turn it on, and the heat released when I turn it off. Or the heat coming off an halogen light even after I turn it off. Hot and cold air are not the only things you can see with this technique. Different gases have different densities, so they refract light differently. As a consequence, you can see the vapor of isopropyl alcohol coming out from the bottle, or the butane gas coming out from the lighter even before we turn it on. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and now you can share this knowledge and perhaps the channel with all the people you know. If you're new, consider subscribing because I have a lot of cool video coming out. And as usual, thanks for watching.